family. Guys, welcome back to another video. A very interesting one. I can't wait to share with you guys what we got in these boxes here. By now, you guys already know that I placed the order for the billet block. So you guys would have seen the teardown video at Real Street Performance. I ended up going with none other than a MazWorks billet wet block, which is what Real Street Performance has ran on their Janitor, the white car, for many years now. And if it served them great, I know it'll be great for us. But in that video, a lot of you guys made a lot of comments about other improvements we should also make to the car. Not just the billet motor, but you guys mentioned a better engine management system. I've been on an AEM V2 for 10 plus years. So you guys talked about that. I read some of the comments about a dry sump. Jay was also pulling my ears about a dry sump. So listen, I read all of you guys' comments. I love interacting with you guys. Monkey, I'm right here, baby. I got Leilani filming for us today. Say what's up to the race family.
What's up?
Guys, I read all of your comments. I also wanted to say, before I go any further, in this video, comment a question you guys may have for us, and I'll do my very best to answer it on the next video. So I won't answer it in the comments down below, but the question with the most likes, it could be about our race car, it could be about our family, it could be about our YouTube, whatever it is. The question with the most, I guess, thumbs up, the question that's you guys are mostly interested in, I'll answer on our next video. But anyhow, I read all of your comments, and listen, I listened to you guys. I went ahead and placed orders for some of the stuff you guys said Baltic also needed. Should we show them, baby?
Yeah.
All right, come over here, girl. Come over here. Let's see what's in this box, race family. I don't even have a knife, so we're opening it with a screwdriver.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so what do you guys think we got here, race fam? You guys said engine management. You guys said dry sump. You guys said wheelie bar. No, I made up the wheelie bar one. Listen, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. I also wanted to say...
He doesn't know what it is.
Oh, don't show it yet. Can you see me? Film me real quick. Race family. The month of September was carbon fiber month here on our channel. Do you remember, Lonnie? Mm-hmm. We were buying everything carbon fiber?
Yeah.
We bought a carbon fiber hood.
Yeah, and carbon fiber doors.
We bought carbon fiber doors. I bought a...
That was a surprise for you guys.
Yeah, that was a surprise. I bought a carbon fiber dry shaft. September was all about carbon fiber. The hood I ended up breaking, but let's not talk about that. September was all carbon fiber. This month is all about billet, baby. Billet everything. Billet blocks and billet what we got in here. Show them, Lonnie. Show them. Show them. Show them. Now point the camera down.
Okay.
Point the camera down. Let's go!
Yay!
Woo! Race family. Lonnie, show them this one. Race fam. Me and Leilani actually just built this one, and we're going to build the other one now.
Ryder was playing with it.
My son Ryder is playing with these inside the house now. I was showing them to Lonnie, my wife. Guys, these things are incredible. This is the same rim company that we had on the car previously. They served us very well. This is a company here out of South Florida, Bilek Industries, and this is their latest and greatest wheel design. This is the last thing they've built. So I jumped on it, man. And the other cool thing is this rim is 15 by 11. Previously, I had a 15 by 10. So as you can see now, we have a much larger lip. The drag radial stretched out a little more. It should help with traction. So I'm super, super pumped. This is not a necessity for what we got going on. But listen, I love changing up the car. And the billet block wasn't enough. I needed everything to be billet. Now when you guys see us rolling around with these shiny polished wheels, by the time you see me with these on the car, we're also going to have the billet block. So if you recognize Baltic with these on, Baltic's got a billet block heart, baby. Let's go. That's how we roll, baby. What do you think, Lonnie?
Good.
All right, guys. I wanted to show you. Is it filming?
Yes.
The numbers are still going up?
Are
you sure?
Yes.
You're the best. All right, guys. I wanted to also show you guys the front wheels. These are the front skinnies. I've actually gone ahead and opened this package already. Let me get these out of the way. Look at these bad boys. Guys, this looks so freaking sweet, man. So these are 17s by 4.5. The same exact size we had on previously. But now, again, in the new wheel design, I'm loving these wheels, man. This is
they're so shiny.
This is like the 4th set of wheels I've had on Baltic. I bought it with a set of rims, aftermarket rims, when I first bought the car. And then I put some CCWs. Then I went to Forge Line Racing. And now this is my 2nd set of drag pack Bilek Industries. Let's go. All right, guys. Let's mount the tire on the other one. You want to help me?
Yeah, look at Mama.
Ooh, look at Mama. Filmer. 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 Ryder, let's go. All right, let's get to work. You say it, Lonnie, let's get to work.
Let's get to work. Bye-bye, Shiny.
You go, girl. Let's go. Dale, next one. Dale. Woo! You did it. You did it. Next one. Perfect, baby. Keep going. Next one. Good job, princess. Good job. You did it. Next one.
I close my eyes.
That's all right. All right, wait, all the way to the bottom. All right, dale, métele. Good job. Next one.
A little more to go.
Little more. Hit it again. One more time. Okay, next one. Good job. Perfect, baby. You're almost finished. You're really good at this. All right.
There.
Good job. Perfect. One last one. Let's go. You did them all. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. All right, so this tire, we're going to put on the driver's side of the car. If you look, you see the arrow right here?
Yeah.
We always got to look for those arrows. So that one goes on that side. So this one is going to go on the passenger side. So we need it to turn that way. So the arrow is perfect. All right, so we got to put it on just like this on top of there. Help me pick it up. No, here, help me pick the tire up. Grab it right there. Up, 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 up. Perfect. All right, now you film me really quick.
Kind of showing a little.
Yeah, no, I'm going to show you how you do it. Film me. It's already recording. Maybe go back a little more so you can see me. Race fam. A quick beadlock rim installation demonstration. These things are sweet, man. Being able to mount your own rims at the house, game changer. Come on. There it goes.
Yeah.
Look at that, Gigi.
Ooh.
Just like that. It's nice on the bead. Then we got to get this thing back on there. A little bit. Perfect. Next one. All right, guys. I would normally go on a... Ooh, not so hard. You're going to strip it. I would normally go in a different type of sequence, but this is just like the first step of getting them in a little bit. That's good, baby. Go to the next one. You're doing perfect. Race Sam, anytime I'm in the garage, she comes out here wanting help. Anytime. In all the way first. It's not in right. Oh, I knew it was going to do that. Okay, next one. Next one. Got to make sure it goes in all the way first. There. You heard how it clicked when it went all the way? Mm-hmm. That's the noise we want to hear every time. Good job, I heard it. And you also want to hold this straight like that.
Okay.
A few more. Good job, baby. Perfectly straight. Hit it. Good job. Next one. Oh, you're a fast learner. You know that? There, now put it in all the way. Hold it straight. Good job. Perfect. Next one. Race family, you guys know the deal. If you ever see us together at a racetrack and you need some help with your wheels, Lonnie can help you. Go, baby. These wheels are freaking incredible, man. I love how these things look. Hit it. Good job. All right, guys, at this point, we've secured the beadlock rim nice and tight to the tire to make sure it doesn't leak any air. I'm gonna show you guys a trick that I normally try to do whenever you're trying to put air in the tire. As you can see, the tire is not fully, I guess, pushed on the lip of the rim. It's not quite there yet. So what I like to do is, if I have a bucket or something similar in size, I put the rim over that. That way, as I load air into the tire, I can try to put some weight and get that tire to get all the way to the end so that it can seal and the air can go in. So let's see if it works good. It worked good for the other one. Here we go. If you're doing this at home by yourself, let me see. Do one of these. All right, let's see if it works. think it's working. I think it's working. Now it makes a little pop noise.
Is it gonna explode?
It might. Let's see.
That's probably enough.
I think it's working, Gigi. Let's see. A little more. You heard the explosion?
Uh-huh.
I told you. If you don't do that, if you don't put it on a bucket, it does not work. If you leave it on the piso on the floor and try to put air in it, or if you stand it up and put air in it, the air goes back out the back. But because I did the bucket trick, perfect, baby! What do you think?
Yeah.
Alright. Now we put a little bit of air in it. Alright, I'm putting 20 pounds of air in it. Whenever I drag race, I usually run a little less. Like, depends on the track, but anywhere from 17 to like 19 and a half. But for now, 20 pounds will do it. Put our little cap back on. And now we look at the finished product. What do you think? What do you think?
Good.
Perfect?
Yeah.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know wheels were not a necessity, but I had to do it, baby. Again, billet everything the month of December. However, make sure to tune back into the next video where we have some exciting news to share with you guys. Let's go!